My name is Lovitto Trend and I have been living in Vietnam as African hairstylist. So today I'm going to be showing you one of the best factory you can get your hair.
And here is the raw materials area where everything begins. Let's get ready for an interesting demonstration, shall we?
So here comes the lighter and the quality raw hair. So you're gonna watch me. I show you how quality it is and how to get real raw hair. How to get to know the real raw hair. So go with me.
To see if this is really raw hair, we will burn a small strand. Watch closely as it burns. It will crumble like dust rather than burning in large cone, like burning plastic, which indicates it is high quality raw hair.
So we're gonna tell the elasticity of the hair, and I'm going to take just 2 pieces to toss to show you that the hair is not gonna break apart. So watch.
Now we are going to perform an elasticity test to check the quality of this raw hair. High quality hair should be able to stretch without breaking immediately. I will gently pull on a strand of hair and you will see how far it can extend without snapping. This is an important indicator of the hair's durability for long-term use. So keep on with me as we check the raw materials. Let's see how they transform. Let's go to the production area. Here you will see how this modern machine meticulously turn raw hair into fabulous wig.
Wow, what a fantastic thought today, and I hope you have learned a lot from K Hair Company in Vietnam. And don't forget to refer K Hair. Don't forget to choose K Hair for your perfect hair, and see you next time. Don't forget to follow more for more videos. Bye.